Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, Ngok, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today? You are so happy, huh? How are you?
Good.
You're,
Good.
why are you so happy? um, did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yes, very
I
good.
eat
What did you eat
bread
for dinner?
and
Bread?
eat bread and meat.
Bread and meat, really? You 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 didn't eat rice?
Yes.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay. So now let's continue again the lesson or the story that we have last time. So to make sure that you still remember, so let's first review. So let's take a look at the picture. Ngo. Do you still remember who is this?
This is a Lottie. Lottie.
Very good. How about this one? Who is this?
This is a grandma Lottie.
Hmm?
Her name her name is Mabel.
Very good. Wow. How about this one? Who is she?
She is Mom Lottie.
Very good. Or Lottie's. We call it as not
Lottie.
Mom Lottie. Not Mom Lottie. We call it as Lottie's or Lottie's mom.
Lottie.
Okay, very good. So that's it. So that is the characters of our story that we have right now. So again, so let's review the story. So first, again, so Lottie and her mom, so they are in Grandmama Belle's house. And Lottie is very excited. Lottie is very excited because her grandma's house has a lot of room. And after that,
Oh.
she saw a door. The door has a horse on it. And when she opened the door, this has happened. So let's take a look. So, can you read this one?
This is the the cricket as Lottie pushed her thought it open. She gazed in shock as he immediate into a noisy porcelain stay stay on.
Okay, very good. So nice. So let's read some words here that we have. So let's first read this one. Can you read this one?
Uh, Dusty.
Okay, again. Let's say dusty.
Dusty.
Very good. This one, can you read?
Three.
Okay,
Correct.
nice. Okay,
Correct.
nice. One more time. Let's say cricked.
Great.
Cricked.
Great.
Okay, very good. Nice.
Great. Great.
Next is this one.
Push. Cat.
Okay, pushed. Pushed.
Push. Push.
Okay, again, pushed.
Push. Touch.
Pushed. Make sure to highlight the letter D. Pushed. Pushed.
Push. Push.
Okay, nice. How about this one?
Uh, 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 a gadget.
Okay,
Gadget.
again. Let's say gazed. Gazed.
Gates.
Very
Gates.
nice. Nice. Very good. How about this one?
Uh, im, immediate. Immediate.
Okay. Okay, let's say one more time. Emerged. Emerged.
Not.
Very good. Emerge. And next, this one.
Uh, station.
Okay, very
Station.
good. Very good station. Okay, so now let's take a look at the picture. Can you describe what you can see or what can you see when Lottie opened the door in one of her grandma's room? What did she see or what did she saw? What are these?
We love toys. Big
Very, very good. There is lots of toys. How about this one? Do you know what are they riding? What are they riding?
writing. Uh, they are writing.
What's that?
Uh,
Ah,
teddy bear.
teddy bear? Is this a teddy bear? No. Do you know train? Train?
Train.
Yeah, so they are riding a train. So this is a train. So a big, big train. So the toys are inside the train. And now, what can you see? What can you notice about the toys? What can you notice? You said that they are toys.
Toys.
Yes. And let's take a look. Are they moving? Are the toys moving?
A toy moving. A
Are
toy moving.
are the
A toy.
toys moving? Yes or no?
Um, no.
Ah,
No.
really? Are you sure?
No, no. It's
It
moving. It's moving.
it's moving. Very good. Because as you can see here, this teddy bear, so he is pushing or it is pushing another teddy bear inside the train. Also, the ducks, so they are going inside the train. That's why Lottie is shocked. Lottie is very
Yeah.
shocked.
We
And
shall.
yes, and let's find out what happened next. Okay, let's read this one.
Everyone was heading towards the carriage girl and climbing up abroad, up, up, abroad,
Uh,
abroad, abroad.
okay, again, let's read this word, this one. Okay, let's first have this one. Can you read that
Carry,
one? Okay, again,
carry,
let's say
carriages,
carriages.
carriages,
Carriages.
carriages.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
Uh, abroad, abroad.
Very good. It's aboard, not abroad. Aboard. Very good. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so in the story, they said that everyone was heading towards the carriages, which is the train, and they are climbing. So, meaning the toys are moving. So, next, let's read this part.
Hmm. The god blew, 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 blew
Very good. Blue.
his twice, twice the signal
Very
that
good.
the the train was ready to leave.
Very good. So, let's read again this one. This. How do you say this?
White,
Okay,
white,
again. Let's say
Why?
whistle.
Why?
Whis
Whistle.
Very good.
Whistle.
Whistle. Very good. So nice. So that is whistle. And now, so this guard. So do you think, Ngok, this is also a toy? Is this also a toy? This guard?
This a a toy is a toy.
Yes, it's a toy. Very good. So again, so the toys are moving in this story. And this one, this is the guard of the toys. And he has, what is this? What do we call this? Ngok? Do you know what is this?
This is a hand. A hand.
What is he holding?
Uh, he,
Okay, so we call it as whistle. Again, let's say whistle. This one's a whistle. Yes, so
whistle.
yes, it looks like, so a whistle is what we use. We blow onto the whistle and it will make a loud sound. So again, we use a whistle, so we blow onto the whistle and it will make a loud sound. So that is why the guard has it. Okay, so let's move on. What will happen to the next pages? Okay, let's first read.
As the from
Uh-huh.
it clean great Lottie watched the train begin to chunk away. Are you not going? Asked a deep gain the voice behind her. Lottie turned around and showed the moth a be, be, before before white horse.
Okay, so again, let's read. Let's read the words that we have here. Let's go first with this one.
Huh?
Okay, let me just make it bigger. This.
Play red, play play
Uh, Okay,
play
again,
red,
let's say cleared. Cleared, not
clear,
cleared. Cleared.
clear, clear,
Cleared. Don't forget the D sound. The cleared.
clear,
Very,
clear.
very good. Next, this one. How about this?
Oh, watch it.
Okay, so for words with ed, so this like this one, words with ed, so we don't read it as watched, cleared. There is another watched, cleared, and asked. So we don't read it like that. So we read it like cleared, watched, asked. Okay, again, how do you read the word with the in the box? How do you read
Uh,
this one?
watch it.
Not watched, watched.
Watch.
Okay, again, how do you read this one?
What?
Watched, watched.
Watch.
Okay, nice. How about this one?
Chunk, chunk, chunk,
Okay, okay, again, let's say chug, chug,
chug,
chug.
chug.
Okay, very good. Next is this one.
Ask it.
Okay, so we have here ed. So we should not read it as asked or watched. We read it as watched, asked.
What? Ask.
Okay, again, how do you read this one? This one
What?
first.
Watch
Next
it.
is not watched, watched.
Watch.
Again, how do you read this?
Watch.
Watched. Very good. Next, this one,
Ask it.
not asked, asked.
Ask.
Okay, let's practice that. Let's practice how you um, read words with ed sound first. This one. Can you read this one? No, why it's so tiny? This one. This one. Can you read this one?
Have it.
Okay, again, hated.
Hate it.
Next is, how about this one?
Need it.
Needed. This one is
Trusted.
trusted. Next is
Started.
started. Next,
Wanted.
again, let's say wanted.
Wanted.
Next is
Ended.
okay, very good. So for this one, we have here words that are we have here original words. We have here hat or hate, need, trust, start, want, and end. So we just add letter or ed at the end of it. However, so we have here this one. So can you read the words? This
Love
one.
it. Love it.
Okay. Again. So for these
Color.
words, so this one is different. So we will not use the ed sound. So it will be just the sound. So it will be loved. Loved.
Love.
Again, loved.
Love.
Called.
Cold.
Saved.
Saved.
Cleaned.
Cleaved.
Again, cleaned.
Cleaved.
Enjoyed.
Enjoyed.
Amazed. Not
Amazed.
amazed. Not amazed. Amazed.
Amazed.
Okay, perfect. This one is liked. Liked,
Light.
asked, asked, mixed,
Mix.
kicked,
Kick.
kissed,
Kiss.
looked.
Lock.
Okay, very good. So good job. So make sure to practice words with ed sound because you mostly read this as with ed. So some of the words with ed sound, so they don't sound like ed. So they sound like d and they sound like t. So we will practice that in our next class. So again, so can you read? So where do we stop earlier? So can you read this one? Let me just this.
Midget. Slime.
Huh?
Uh. Git. Delete.
Okay,
Delete.
okay, again, let's say gentle. Gentle.
Gentle.
Okay, very good. Gentle. Next
Gentle.
is, how about this one?
Peaceful. Peaceful.
Okay, again, let's say beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay, very
Beautiful.
good. And next, let's have this one. Let's read. Where are?
Where are Lottie?
Huh? Where are?
Where
Where
are where
they?
are they going?
What's this word?
Ask it.
Not
Lottie.
asked. Again, asked. Asked.
Ask.
Lottie.
Ask. Lottie.
Asked. Asked. So it is silent E. You will not read the E sound or sound. You will only read the D, the sound. Asked.
Down. Ask.
Again, can you read this one?
Ask.
Asked.
Ask.
Ask what?
Ask it.
Ask, not asked. Ask Lottie.
Ask Lottie.
Very good. So again, let's take a look at this picture. Ngo, what is this? What animal is this?
It's a horse.
It's a horse. What color is the horse?
It's white.
It's white. So it's a white horse. A beautiful white horse. So in this part of the story, so there is a beautiful white horse that asked Lottie that, are you not going? So the white horse is asking Lottie if she is not going inside the train. And after that, so Lottie asks to the white horse, where are they going? So Lottie wants to know where are the train or where are the toys going that is riding this train. And next, let's read this part of the story. Today's
Today the day is of the grand tr- tr- the tree opening since the horse the
okay.
music box playing us are putting on a bed performance and everyone is in the oh no we we
I've
we
again let's see
I I
missed
I miss it the train now said Lottie sadly.
Okay, very good. So let's read these words again. This one. Can you read this one? Hey, let me just. What's this word?
The tree
Okay, again. Let's say theater.
theater theater
Okay, very good. Theater. Again, how?
theater theater
Not theater. Very good. How do you read this one? Thea.
theater
Again, theater. Theater, not theater. Theater.
theater
Very good. So next, how about this one?
what uh, uh Palinas
Okay, again, let's say ballerinas.
Bal
Ballerinas.
ballerinas
Very
ballerina
Again, how do you read this one?
Ballerinas.
Very good. Next is,
Spectacle.
okay, again, let's say special.
Special.
Okay,
Special.
very good. Special. Next is,
Invital.
okay, again, let's say invited.
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 Nope.
Invited. Invited. Invited.
Very good. Invited. How about this?
Visit.
Okay, missed. Miss. Missed.
It.
Missed.
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 I've missed.
Missed.
Again, I've missed.
I miss.
I've missed.
I miss.
Okay, again, how do you read this one?
I miss.
I've missed.
I miss.
Okay, very good. So again, so let's take a look what is happening in the second part of this story. So Lottie and the white horse, they are looking at the train where the toys are riding. So the horse said, "Today's the day of the grand theater opening." So there is a theater. So Ngok, when we say theater, so theater is an event. Actually, it is a show where people watch. A theater is a show where people, oh, a show that people watch with music, dancing, and many people. So that is a theater like this. Let me show you how theater looks like. Okay, this is a theater. So there are a lot of people here. There
Huh?
is there is people or two people or many people that are performing
Two
in
people.
yes, there are two people
They
here.
are.
So they are
Oh.
actors. They are the one who portrays or tells a story. So that is a theater. So it is a show.
Theater.
Yeah.
Theater. Theater.
Theater.
Theater.
Yes. That is
Oh my
theater.
god. Theater.
Yes. Have you watched a theater before, Ngok? Have you watched a theater before? Have
Uh,
you watched? No?
yes.
Oh,
Yes.
really? You
I see.
watch?
I see. I can. I see a theater.
You see a theater?
Yes.
Yes, wow, that's so nice. That's so nice to know. So that is a theater. So it is a show where a lot of people watch. So that is a show where people usually act, they dance, they sing, especially if you watch the movie The Greatest Showman. This one, The Greatest Showman. So it is a theater-like movie. Okay, so I think it's already the end of our time, Ngok. So before we continue this lesson next time, so we will study first the words that we need to know. Okay? Okay, so make sure next time, okay? So you will review our story. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you very much, Ngok, and see you again soon. Goodbye, goodbye. See you on Friday. See you on Friday. Bye.
Oh.
Bye, bye, bye,
Oh.
bye.